What you guys, got another video here for you. Microsoft adds a themes hub to Windows 11. For many years, people have always liked to add their own Windows themes to their Windows operating system. And this used to be pretty big about 40 years ago. People started to change things up with their own style of themes and used to be able to create your own. But today, Windows 10 and Windows 11 sort of themes have been more related to wallpapers and just changing the color palette. That's just about it. It's not actually changing vast amounts in the operating system, but Microsoft have said that they've added loads of different types of themes to the Microsoft Store, and they've added a dedicated themes section in the Microsoft Store. So if you're one of these people that like really nice looking themes or wallpapers in this case, then check out the Microsoft Store and look at the theme section. I'll show you that in a second. But World National Parks is a really nice looking theme. You can download it and install it on your computer for free. A lot of these now are all free and you'll be able to use them. So if we take a look here on the Microsoft Store, you'll see there's a little theme section right here now. And this will give you access to literally hundreds and hundreds of themes that you can choose from. Microsoft have said there's over 400 themes to choose from, and over 35 of those are new themes that they've just added to the theme store. It's pretty simple to install them. You just click on them and basically they will install on the system. Let's take a look right here, and you can see you get a nice looking theme just like that. And of course, all it's done really is change the color slightly and added a slideshow for these themes. And of course, these themes will have different types of wallpapers added to them. If you look in the personalization section and go to themes, you'll see the actual theme right here. This one right here contains 18 images and it will go on a slideshow, and it's changed the color to default blue. And that's all it's done really. It's not done anything else. So they're like packs of wallpapers with a color palette change. That's just about it. But that being said, you can still pick up some really nice, cool looking wallpapers or themes, if you want to call them that. And again, what that will do is it will give you access to all of the types of wallpapers that you like to have on your desktop, whether it be landscapes, whether it be gaming themes, or even national parks, or any other type of theme that you want to download. They should be inside the Microsoft Store under the themes section. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll quickly show you some of these. You can see you'll get nice looking wallpapers just like this as well. So inside here, we've just done the national parks. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the others that they've added. And it says, make your device your own. Customize your own windows with current theme parks, new wallpapers and accent colors. So it's basically changing the wallpaper and accent colors of that actual Windows system. Because the theme packs of old used to change the actual cursor and everything else, whereas these are just basically changing the colors and wallpaper. And you'll see World of Warships here, Shifting Horizons, Minimal Drift, and loads of different types of actual themes that you can download. And I'm going to keep saying that word themes because that's what they're calling them. But it is basically wallpapers with accent color changes to the taskbar and things like that. But you can see this one here is rated pretty high. And this one also has 15 sort of wallpaper backgrounds as well, which are really sort of nice backdrops to look at while you're working on your computer. And the good thing is they're 100% free, which is always a added bonus. And you can see all it's done here is change the slideshow, put 15 images in there, and it's changed the default color to blue. And that's pretty much it. It hasn't touched the cursor or anything like that. And you can get stunning wallpapers like this. And this is a really good way of getting your hands on some really nice backdrops. So go into the Microsoft Store and it should be under the theme section, and choose which ones you like for your computer. And I get people asking me all the time where I get my wallpapers from, and sometimes I just download a theme pack like this and install it on the computer, and it will rotate on its own with the amount of images that you download. They should be telling you exactly how many images are actually in that theme pack. And you can see right here, you go through and there'll be tons of new ones on here that you can download and use on your PC. Anyway, I think that's going to be about it. Just a quick short video for today. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, whether this is something you would use or whether you're not interested. Anyway, I just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, whether it's on level 1 support, 2 or 3. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, I hope you have a lovely day and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.